This GPS survey kit is insane. E1 RTK GNSS. 5 kilometers range and 60 degrees tilt? Precision overload. Ever feel like your current surveying gear is actively sabotaging your career? Let's face it, outdated equipment, glitchy signals, and clunky software drain your energy faster than your phone battery at 2%. You're stuck remeasuring, recalibrating, and worst of all, re-explaining delays to clients who just want results. Trust us, we get the vibe. Lost hours, wasted money, and shattered confidence. You didn't sign up for this chaos. You signed up for smooth workflows, pinpoint accuracy, and epic results. Instead, you're stuck with unreliable tools that block your progress like a bad Wi-Fi signal. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Now amplify that frustration. Imagine missing project deadlines because your rover glitched again, or your old base station refuses to lock satellites. Every delay isn't just lost time, it's lost trust, lost revenue, and creeping professional burnout. Meanwhile, other surveyors are zooming ahead with next-gen tools, landing bigger projects, and crushing performance metrics. Every rework feels like a slap to your professional pride. You can't rely on legacy tech to handle modern demands. Let's be blunt. Your competition's leveling up while you're still rebooting. Feel that sting? That's opportunity slipping away. Here's your breakthrough. Meet the E1 RTK GNSS Survey Equipment Kit from SingularXYZ. This beast isn't your typical receiver, it's a next-level surveying revolution. With 60 degrees tilt compensation, 5 kilometers radio range, full GNSS constellation tracking, and crazy-fast 5-second initialization, the E1 transforms fieldwork into a precision masterpiece. Whether you're in dense forests, urban canyons, or wide-open fields, this rugged system locks in centimeter-level accuracy like a pro sniper. Factor in the IMU stabilization, handheld collector, and lifetime software updates, and you've got a solution that flat-out works. Forget the headaches, this is your GPS power-up. The perks? Mind-blowing. 20+ hours of battery life so you're powered all day. Robust signal acquisition, even under tree canopies. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB-C, and NFC connectivity ensure seamless data transfer, while the pre-installed SingularPad software puts full control in your pocket. Whether you're mapping, measuring, or managing assets, the E1 simplifies every step, boosting efficiency by 30% or more. Thousands of surveyors worldwide are already ditching legacy tools for this powerhouse. Why? Because it actually delivers. So, why stay stuck when precision and power are just a click away? Explore the E1 today, you'll never look back. Don't let your career lag behind. Join the Precision Elite now. The E1 RTK GNSS Survey Kit isn't just equipment, it's your ticket to faster jobs, bigger contracts, and zero rework stress. Limited supply. Global demand rising fast. With 1-year warranty, lifetime tech support, and social proof from professionals in 60+ countries, what's stopping you? Don't settle for good enough. Seize your centimeter-perfect future. Hit that buy button. Upgrade now. Dominate your next project with E1 Precision. Let's go.